Hi, and welcome to Michelle Creations. Today is going to be a super short video. I am probably up north in the northern US right now. I'm assuming I'm probably in Utah by the time you're seeing this, or maybe hopefully a little farther south and east of that. But nonetheless, I am out there somewhere today. So this is a cute little set of beads, and you can make some pens out of them. P-E-N-S, writing pens. And with this set, I wonder if they're the same in both. It looks like they might be. I don't want to open both if I don't have to. So let's just work out of this one. So you get these really nice little pen starters, if you will, I guess. It does have ink already in it, so it's just a twist piece here. It comes with a cap, and the cap screws on and off. I'm assuming, I could be totally wrong. I've never done this before. Oh, it does screw on and off. It was just really tight. And then we put our beads on this, and then put the top back on it, and then you have a really cute little, I've never seen these before. You'll have a really cute pen. So I have them in yellow. I have them with these little sunflower base on them. And then these are also sunflowers, but it's got the black background. And then I've got more of a gold color and then a solid black. So let's just do the sunflower one right off the bat, because this one is what drew me to these. Oh wait, we've got these little, what are these called? Somebody out there in the beading world, are these spacers? They're like a flat bead. They're really pretty. They got little gems in them. Let's see if I can actually hold one up so you can see it. So it's a flat bead. It's concave, so it's going to set nicely. It goes in between two bigger beads. So are they calling that a spacer bead? Is that what that's called? I can't put it on the bottom because it's going to fall down inside the base there. So we'll just put this one on first because that sits nice and snug. And then I guess we put one of these on there. Get on there. There we go. And we could try a sunflower. They're just super cute. I've never seen anything like it before, and I thought this would be a great project for someday when I've got something that I need something super simple, and I don't know if, yeah, that'll work, I think. Where'd my top go? And then we just put the top back on it, I think. Yep. Look at that. Oh, I didn't put a space. I don't know that I need I think you're supposed to put a spacer bead in there. I don't know. I don't do beadwork. Is this right, guys? Somebody out there that does beadwork, is this supposed to be like in every, whoops, in between every bead? Does it matter? Is it just decorative? You do it how you want to? I don't know. I just thought it was super cute, and I'd never done one, and I thought, I'll just try it with you guys. Oh, for pity's sakes, get on there. Oh my gosh. If you can hear the wind out there, it is blowing 90 to nothing. We've got, oh, that one's, see how it's not all the way through? I'm gonna have to drill that one out, it looks like. It wasn't just me. The wind is blowing 90 to nothing out there. We've actually got, I'm supposed to be flying to Dallas tonight to get on a plane to turn around and fly back to, back north to Seattle, and they have actually let me know that they are canceling flights, so I had to reschedule my flight for Saturday morning because of the wind. That's, okay, see, now that's too much. It won't let me screw that on. So I'm actually leaving out of here Saturday morning instead of Friday night, which will put me a day behind on my driving, but that's okay. I'm going up to move my kids home, and oh, isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that is so sweet. And then you just turn that and the pen comes out. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Let's do another one. Let's try a yellow one. So because of the high winds and, oops, oh, oops. Isn't that supposed to happen? It must come out both, obviously it comes out on both ends. Well, maybe this will be easier. Let's do, since this one's plain, let's do a colorful one, a sunflower, a spacer. Maybe I'm not supposed to do this. Oh, these are smaller beads and this is a big bead. So I bet because I want to try 2 small beads on this one. Let's try that. That, then a sunflower, then a spacer bead. A small one again. And I think this will fit. It just has the piece in the middle there that you can screw it down into. Oh, it's much easier to screw the top on than to screw the bottom. Oh, no, there we go. It's not hard if you put it on right. Oh, that looks crooked. How come that looks crooked? Oh, because I got the bottom one crooked. What did I do? There we go. There we go. Those are so cute. I really like those. So, it obviously isn't going to take long to plow through all of these and put them all together. I might put a couple on my Etsy store, see if there's any interest out there. I think the top was easier to screw on than the base was. So, if this might be something somebody's interested in, just let me know. And I'll put them in my Etsy store. I found these on Temu. I'll leave the link down below. I also got another set, and I'll show you what those looked like. This is fun. Let's do this one. No. No, because it's got a black background. So let's stick to this one. And then let's do another one. Sorry, I got squirreled. I'll show you the other one here in just a second. Let me put this one together. And then, oh, I don't think I want a white one on there. There's no white on that. So let's do maybe 2 yellows. Gosh, these are adorable. And they're kind of fun. I don't think they were expensive. Oh my goodness. All right, let me show you the other set. And I'm trying not to get these all mixed up here. So this set is a puppy print. So you get kind of a pinkish purple, black, and then you see the white with the black paw prints there. And then I think, yep, these are exactly the same. So you get that kind of metallic-y, pinky purple color, the black, and then a couple more pins, white ones with the pink. And then you get, oh, this one's open. I must have cut the bag open when I opened it. There's the black and white. That's cute. And then you get the colorful, I'm calling them filler beads because I don't know what else they're called, or spacer beads. So you get them in black and that pink. And then some of them are just a rhinestone, clear rhinestones with like a back background. So you get those. And then you get a little bag of beads. And there's paw prints, like our sunflowers are, but these are paw prints. And then you get white with paw prints. We got pink paw prints. Oh, there's a pink shaped paw print. Oh, white, or there's black with white paw prints. So anyways, you can make animal ones too. So these are super cute. This would be a great project. We're getting ready to go into spring break this week. This would be a great project for grandparents or even parents to do with their kids on spring break. Over any kind of a weekend. If you're, I keep thinking grandparents, if your kids are coming up for a weekend or something, or your grandkids are, to spend the weekend with grandma and grandpa, or if you're going to the lake, or if you're going on vacation, this might, I don't know if this would be a good actually for vacation. These would be rolling all over the car. Maybe when you get to your destination, while you're unpacking or something, this would give them something to work on while you're unpacking, or while you're packing to come back home, or anything like that. So super cute. These are super fun. And you know, it's a good project. It's worth it because you get a nice little pin out of it when you're done. It'd make a cute little gift to send them home with as a memento of the trip, or you know, coming to see grandparents, or just hanging out with their grandparents or parents or aunts or uncles, or you know, whatever that case may be. So let me know what you think. I'll put the link for these down in the description below if you're interested. As always with the Temu product, I don't get anything out of this. I just do them because it looks super cute and I wanted to try it, and I might as well bring you along for the ride. So thank you so much for joining us today. Sorry it's a short one. Until then, you guys take care. Thanks so much for joining. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, and we will see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.